FORTEM Car Trunk Organizer, Collapsible, Multi-Compartment, 85 liters capacity, non-slip bottom, beige. Discover the ultimate car organization solution with the FORTEM Car Trunk Organizer. This collapsible, multi-compartment storage unit is designed to keep your vehicle tidy and clutter-free. With a spacious 85 liters capacity, it's perfect for organizing everything from groceries to car accessories, ensuring your trunk remains neat and accessible. The FORTEM Car Trunk Organizer boasts a sturdy box design reinforced with rigid base plates to support every side panel. Unlike other organizers, it features multiple side pockets and up to 3 compartments, providing ample space for all your storage needs. The beige color adds a touch of elegance, making it a stylish addition to any car interior. Equipped with non-slip strips and adjustable securing straps, the FORTEM Organizer stays firmly in place, preventing unwanted movement. The tight mesh siding and pockets with lids offer secure storage for smaller items, while the interlocking buckles allow you to connect multiple organizers for expanded storage. It's a multifunctional solution that makes car organization easy and efficient. Designed for versatility, the FORTEM Trunk Organizer is collapsible and comes with a removable lid for added security. Whether you place it in the back seat, front seat, or trunk, it adapts to your needs, consolidating mess and freeing up space for other essentials. Backed by a 1-year warranty, this organizer is perfect for any vehicle, providing a durable, high-quality storage solution that customers love for its value, ease of use, and excellent performance.